Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to turn on game anti-addiction. Game anti-addiction is very good because it plays a great role in making you have a good health and stop your addictions over games. Game anti-addiction maintains or lowers the time you spend playing on your games. It's like it sets a time limit for all your games. When time is up, it automatically closes the game you are playing. Here is how to set it. Firstly, go through your phone to find the Settings app, and once you find it, press on it. After you have pressed it, scroll up to find where it's written Game Mode and press on it. Game Mode can be found for Android 10. In Game Mode, it's where you gonna find Game Anti-Addiction. Locate where it's written Game Anti-Addiction and press on it once you find it. Now on the new interface there are many options available for you to choose. The important one is for the health reminder because it reminds you of the time you spent or you are spending on playing a particular game. You can even turn on parental controls to restrict some access to children because they won't be able to access games without your permission. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.